Good morning, everybody, and this is Matthew Randazzo. I am talking about the stock market. If you guys would go follow and watch, like, and subscribe my channel. I just started in the stock market, um, probably about a year ago. I've been buying stocks and just random other things, but um, as it says right here, top 10 stocks to buy with the $600 stimulus. I would recommend you guys go watch that. I'm just doing um, a month refresher on where those stocks are at today. So yeah, let's get right into it, and I'll stop wasting y'all time. So the first one is um, Vuzi Corporation. It is at 8.99 right now. Um, Back when I was talking about it was at 831. It's a great corporation. I feel like AR and VR is where we are all going to. So in the near future, I would recommend you guys look into this one. It's a good one. It's at $9. But anyway, um, that's that. So that has actually made some money. If you were to get that when I had mentioned it. So my next one, for time's sake, is I'm going to keep this on rolling a little bit quicker so you guys can watch it more of it. Um, so AMD, AMD is a chip maker. They do a bunch of other things. It initially ran up to 99 a few days ago, and then it's kind of just been selling off. But I feel like it's making some good bases right around here at the $90 level, and I would just say it's a great buy. Um, my next one would be QuantumScape. So it had an initial run up, like right after the IPO, all the way up to like 130 or about. So if you were to sell then, you would have made some. But it's kind of just been selling off because there's been no news on it, relatively nothing. But the volume has been relatively nice, and I think it's making a couple little bottoms here, so it'd be a good pickup for the future because it was at 131 and now you're getting it at a steep discount. But anyway, my next one would be um, Qualcomm here. They make chips, other things. They make, just have good communications equipment, and it's a strong buy for me. But look at this, just staircase in over a month. It ran up to 160, but now it's kind of right back in that 157 range. And I would just say it's a good long term play for everybody. And it actually has gone up since I first looked at this. It was at 147. So make sure you guys look at that. Blink is another good one. Um, I would say that it'd be definite buy for the future because that's where we're going now that the new administration is working its way in here. So I would definitely recommend it. On the 1 month, it looks like it's taking a nice dip, and it looks like right before this little run up here on January 11th, that's probably going to be about this new support level. So I would recommend you buy it. And it was at 36, so it went up $11. I mean, it's a definite buy from where I said from before. Next one would be an Airbnb. Airbnb, when we last looked at it, was 157. Now it's at 169. So, I mean, it ran up huge. I mean, it's long like right in here, 157. But look at the run up there. I mean, it went all the way up to 185 and change. So then it's nice coming to start making a nice little bottom here, and I feel like it's just going to go up from here. A lot more people are wanting the Airbnb plays rather than the hotel plays nowadays. Um, FireEye, it was at last we looked at it was 1923, so it's made a couple bucks here and there. But over a month, it's kind of just been trading sideways, and I'd say they're good, definite good buys right in here. It's just a couple more contracts away from you know, a little upbeat news. So then that's that. And then my next one would be laser, which is another lidar technology when lasers are, used in cars nowadays and just for all the autonomy and stuff. But over the month, it kind of ran up a little bit to 38, but then kind of settled back down, and no news has really been on it. So people haven't really been that much interested, say the least. But I would say it's definitely a discounted price right now at 30. Um, and I just see amazing upside from here after it gets another, good contract, a good name alongside it. My next one would be Ag Eagle Systems, UAVS ticker. Last time we talked about it, it was at 779 and it went up to 1001, which is, it's been huge, really strong lately. It was at 750 or 779 right around here Thursday, and it just huge run up. I think they've been getting some contracts like this volume is looking really good day after day. So I'd just say it's a really good buy and hold opportunity. And this thing could just go absolute to the moon in the next short months. Fuel Cell. Fuel Cell has kind of been ticking down. We had an initial run up right like January 11th right here on just like news for the Biden. There's a lot of people, long right there. But at the same time, he said that he might not like this space as much, and that's when it just kind of boom. It's been making higher highs and higher lows, but I feel like these right in here are really good bottoms for, you guys to buy. Anybody at that, but yeah, I'd just say it would probably be another run up here, but I think it's just making another base for everybody to, come in and lift it up a little bit. My next one would be Magnite. It's another good one. It's an e-commerce play, it's just been steadily grinding upwards, and then it kind of came back down over the past week. But at the same time, this is just making another bottom opportunity, and I feel like in the next, month or two that it would definitely be able to go up a little bit more. Last thing I'm going to talk about, make this a little shorter than normal so I can move on to my next video. But if you guys were just to say bought those when I had said something about them, and then just let's say you sold them at the all-time highs, that would be a 30% gain. At the same time, it's not 30% right now. It's more like 6.9% if you were just to hold them right now. But if you were to have sold them, it would have ran up to a 30% gain. But I would just say these are mainly holds. None of these are which are like swing trades by any means, but these are long holds for me. And yeah, so if you guys liked it, just go hit the like and subscribe button. That would greatly appreciated. I'm coming out with some other extra content on the stock market here shortly. And yeah, I just look for you guys to have some good plays, with me. And yeah, let's just keep it 24/8, y'all. Peace.